Railroad Pass, Boulder City. Bringing in the new, but this is the oldest casino in Nevada. The first one. In here, it says what year. Oh, Railroad Path, there it is. And somewhere in here it says what year it was. 1838. No, 1938, something like that. Here we go. This train. But here's the cool thing in here. Got some relics, some artifacts. But we got halls, safe company. We got this vault door. Oops. Super pitching. There it is, folks. I guess this is like where they came up with the concept of a fucking count room. Right? This is it. I mean, it's not that big. Look, it's like, I mean, it's not, it's small. It's the size of a closet. But, sorry about the shaky video. I'm trying to get better at it. But yeah, this thing's is pretty cool. Anybody knows the digits here? That's just up. Nope. If anybody knows the combo, hit us up. I'm sure there's something fun in there. I doubt there's any money, but I'll bet you there's a little gift for an ex-employee or something. It'd be fun. Anybody knows what it is, hit us up. We'll try the combo. Anyway, cool room representing the days of old. Oldest casino in Nevada. Right on the Union Pacific Railroad. These fucker men identified as bandits. Dairy office. Wow. Boulder City. Special place. Peace out.